ready to transform your living space, you're in the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to Everspruce, your go-to channel for conquering clutter and mastering home organization. Today we're going to explore the powerful features of Everspruce and guide you through the process of inventorying your entire home in just one day. Stick around for some tips that will make the process a breeze. Let's kick things off with the first step, downloading Everspruce. If you haven't grabbed Everspruce yet, head straight to the App Store. Downloading is a breeze. Once it's installed, let's create your Everspruce account, a secure gateway to organized living. Activate the 2-week free trial, allowing you to test the waters. You can even add up to 50 items for free. Now let's talk about the 3 best practices that will turbocharge your inventorying journey. Best practice 1, start with one room. Avoid being overwhelmed by just starting with one room. Today we'll focus on the living room. We'll seamlessly add items to Everspruce, keeping everything organized. Best practice 2, add large and high valuable items. Prioritize by adding high value items like a television or sofa first. Capture photos, add important information, ensuring most valuable possessions are front and center. This step is crucial for insurance claims. You want to be prepared. Best practice 3, use the batch mode feature. Time is precious. Utilize Everspruce's batch mode for quick entry. Snap photos of items in groups that are in drawers, full of board games or any other collectibles you may own. Add details later at your convenience. Now that you have mastered the 3 best practices, let's move to another room and apply these practices. Remember, add one room at a time. We've just done the living room. Now we're going to move on to the kitchen. Best practice 2, take photos of large and valuable items. Take photos of your appliances. You'll want to have this information available if you ever need to file an insurance claim due to fire or an earthquake. Remember, best practice 3, use the batch mode feature. Take photos of smaller items that are in cabinets and drawers. Insurance companies will want to know how many plates, glasses, forks, and knives you have. Take a photo of all your utensils in the drawers, and in the field options or the description box, you can add more details later. Now that we have learned what the 3 best practices are, let's move on to additional features Everspruce has to offer. Now every home has storage boxes full of items that they don't know what's in them. They're tucked away somewhere in your home. Well, the QR code feature is your secret weapon. Now let's create a kitchen supplies box. Attach the QR code label you have created in the app and scan it with your phone. Instantly, all the contents that are associated with that box can be seen. Let's organize using the tag feature. Elevate organization game by creating tags. In the app, establish tags like appliances or kitchen items. Everspruce ensures belongings are not just organized, but effortlessly accessible. Now let's use the search feature. Misplace something? No worries. Use the search feature. Type kitchen and Everspruce quickly locates every item you have associated with the word kitchen. There you have it, an organized home in just a few taps away with Everspruce. And even better, you are prepared if you need to file an insurance claim. In this video, we were able to do 2 rooms in your home very quickly. Stick to the 3 best practices and you can inventory your home very quickly. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you like this video, you'll want to watch this video next.